Imagine walking into a bike shop and seeing a bicycle with a price tag of $15,000. No motor, no touchscreen, no air conditioning, just two wheels, a frame, and a chain. For the same money, you could buy a brand new car, put a down payment on a house in some places, or travel around the world. So why would anyone spend that much on a road bike? Is it simply a luxury toy for wealthy cyclists? Or is there something hidden beneath the carbon fiber that most people never see? Because here's the surprising truth. That $15,000 bike isn't expensive because it uses more material. In fact, it often uses less. The secret lies in years of engineering, aerospace-grade materials, wind tunnel testing, professional racing, and tiny performance gains that can mean the difference between first place and second. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly where every dollar goes, and whether any road bike is truly worth that kind of money. Part 1, the price shock. To most people, every bicycle looks almost the same. Two wheels, a frame, handlebars, pedals. That's why seeing a $15,000 road bike feels almost unbelievable. But here's what's interesting. The average department store bike might cost between $300 and $700. A serious enthusiast may spend around $2,000 to $4,000. Professional-level road bikes often start around $8,000 and can climb well beyond $15,000. Some custom builds even exceed $20,000. So what changes between a $500 bike and a $15,000 one? It's not just one feature. It's dozens of small improvements working together. And the biggest difference starts with the frame. Part 2, carbon fiber, the heart of the bike. The frame is the foundation of every road bike. While cheaper bikes are usually made from aluminum, premium road bikes are built using carbon fiber. Carbon fiber isn't just light. It's incredibly strong, stiff, and can be shaped in ways that metal simply can't. Manufacturers carefully layer hundreds of sheets of carbon by hand. Each layer has a specific direction designed to improve stiffness, comfort, and strength exactly where it's needed. This process takes hours. Then the frame is cured under heat and pressure before being inspected for imperfections. Even a tiny flaw can ruin the frame. That's one reason carbon road bikes cost so much. You're not just buying material, you're paying for precision engineering. Part 3, every gram matters. Professional cyclists obsess over weight. Why? Because climbing a mountain with a lighter bike requires less energy. The international racing limit for a road bike is 6.8 kilograms. Many manufacturers spend millions trying to get as close to that number as possible without sacrificing strength. Saving just a few hundred grams might require carbon handlebars, carbon seat posts, carbon wheels, titanium bolts, hollow cranksets. Each tiny weight reduction adds cost. But together, they create a machine that feels incredibly responsive. Part 4, wind is your biggest enemy. At speeds above about 30 kilometers per hour, the biggest force slowing a cyclist isn't weight, it's air. That's why premium bike companies spend thousands of hours in wind tunnels. Engineers test frame shapes, handlebars, helmets, wheels, even water bottle positions. If they can reduce aerodynamic drag by just a few watts, it could save precious seconds over a long race. Those tiny gains may seem insignificant, but in professional cycling, seconds can decide championships. Part 5, the components. The frame is only part of the story. High-end road bikes are fitted with premium components. Electronic shifting systems allow riders to change gears almost instantly with the press of a button. High-performance wheelsets reduce rolling resistance while remaining incredibly light. Ceramic bearings minimize friction. Hydraulic disc brakes deliver consistent stopping power in wet and dry conditions. Every upgrade costs more. Individually, they might seem small. Together, they transform how the bike rides. Part 6, you're also paying for research. When you buy a premium road bike, you're not just paying for the finished product. You're helping fund years of research and development. Companies invest heavily in wind tunnel testing, prototype development, computer simulations, material science, professional race teams, safety testing. Many technologies first developed for elite racing eventually become available on more affordable bikes. So, are expensive road bikes actually worth the money? The answer depends on who you are. If you're riding to work or enjoying weekend rides, a well-built mid-range bike can deliver an incredible experience without costing a fortune. But if you're chasing every second, racing competitively, or simply appreciate world-class engineering, those premium bikes offer performance that's difficult to match. The biggest surprise is that you're not paying for just a bicycle. You're paying for decades of innovation, precision manufacturing, advanced materials, and countless tiny improvements that together create one of the most sophisticated human-powered machines ever built. Now we'd love to hear from you. If someone handed you $15,000 to spend on a bike, would you buy one? Or would you choose something else entirely? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed learning the engineering behind cycling, subscribe for more stories about the science, technology, and history that make this sport so fascinating.